Hello viewers, today we will solve one more question of in SQL, which is LeetCode 1148. It is an article view 1. Here is in given a table views which contain a column name, article ID, article author ID, viewer ID and viewer date. Okay. So in this question you have to return the ID which having author ID and viewer ID is same. Okay. In this question you have to return only those ID which having author ID and viewer ID is same in ascending order. You don't have to return the duplicates also. In this question it is mentioned you don't have to return twice. You have to return only one. Okay. uh, Only one at a time. So in this question first you have to write select select distinct, because we don't have to repeat it, author ID as ID. Okay, because I have to return the ID, so I have to rewrite the name, means renaming the name as from views table. Okay, where I have to write the condition author ID is equals to viewer. We have to write the condition author ID is equals to viewer ID. Okay, author ID equals to viewer ID, in which we have to order by ID. Okay, so let's run it whether this code is running properly or not. Yeah, this code is fine. Let's submit it. Yeah, thank you for watching.